What's up, everybody? All right, so I've started actually publishing course updates, and this is exciting because I got a lot of videos. I'm like doubling, maybe tripling the amount of videos in the course. Um, and so for today, for this week, we are doing where is it? eBay marketing tools. Here we go. The course didn't have anything about promoted listings and promotions on eBay and how to run them and like that kind of information. So I added 5 videos about like how to set up promoted listings, my experience with them, and then how to look at your results to kind of experiment with it and figure out what works best for you, right? And then with promotions, which are different. Promotions are like sales on eBay. So if you see something and it's like, oh, buy one, get one, or buy one, get 10% off, or 10% off anything, or buy 4, get 5th free. Those are all things that you can do through promotions on eBay. And I'll show how to do that as well. And so in general, I'm going to try every week to have one new section updated to the course. The whole reason that I made it in the beginning was so that I could have a course and then have like a year or so pass by, because then I knew that I would know exactly what the course needs to be like the best course that it can possibly be, because I didn't finish making it, right? And that was like a point of contention, and it's kind of what is like, it was all part of the plan. Like it's in my eyes, it's much more efficient to make a seed to spawn something so that it exists and it started, and then life will just show you exactly what you need to do with it. And it's better to do it that way than to try and plan everything out perfectly and make the whole thing at once and just like, I view that as a very inefficient way to operate, right? But so now I'll just scroll down and show you some of the other stuff that's going into the course. So right now I have this section at the bottom, which is all of the videos that I'm adding, right? And I haven't recorded all of them yet, obviously, but I'm revising a bunch of stuff, because I don't think that there's any point in having like videos in this course that are just a person like me talking to you. I should be showing like the computer screen and like explaining a concept in every video. So I'm trying to get rid of all the videos that are just like there's no computer screen, right? Because I think that it's easier to teach concepts if like there's my face there, but there's like a thing in the background that I can interact with, because it allows me to like connect with you guys, and we can kind of, even though like we're in different time periods, right? Because I'm recording this here now and talking to you, you're listening to it then, and that's in the future. That's in like the future of mine now, right? But we can still interact and get feedback from one another. It's a little bit complicated, right? So I'm gonna just overview these real quick, and I'm showing you this so that if you comment, if you want me to add any information to this course, I'm just going to show you everything that I am adding, okay? So we have revisions on some like introductory videos, bulk profitability, like the emphasis on product research or sniping. You have to do something. You can't just blindly post things, right? More information about GSP, when to avoid GSP, more streamlined process for out of stocks, what to do when you have like 20 or 30 out of stock sales you need to process, how to deal with that emotionally, information about sniping culture, building selling lists, available sniping tools. So that's going to have information about there's a lot of sniping software now, like Chili Hunter, ZikAnalytics, DS Genie, Sniper Pop. There's like 3 or 4 other things that do sniping. AutoDS does sniping. A lot of services do it now. We also need to do some videos about cash flow, because understanding how to make good cash flow decisions is important. These are some like basic concepts, like you don't want all of your bills to be at the same time every month. You want all of your bills to be spread out, so that it doesn't take a huge hit on you, because this enables you to have more flexibility. And a lot of little tips and tricks like this that really help when it comes to like cash flow flowing in and out of your business, and how to make sure that you're not making decisions that hurt your business or yourself, right? Also, information about purchasing cryptocurrency, how to get Bitcoin, that kind of thing, how to purchase it, and then how to trade it for gift cards. I now know a kind of much more reliable and safe way to do this, so I'm adding that to the course. Whereas before I knew about like Paxful, but these marketplaces were like, they're tricky. Whereas Card Bazaar is like, it's not a Bitcoin marketplace. It's a gift card marketplace that happens to accept Bitcoin. And so you still have some like protection on Card Bazaar that you don't have on other websites, right? So that's why I'm more comfortable using it. Then we have information about more cash flow stuff, about PayPal working capital loans and Kabbage business loans. And then 2 things you need to know about, to be competitive. Okay, yeah, so there's some more like state of mind videos about like nowadays dropshipping is really, really competitive and becoming increasingly so. So in order to be competitive, you need to have virtual assistants and you need to have software. If you do both of those things, then you can make good money. The reality is if you're not doing those things, especially if you don't have virtual assistants, it's going to be much harder for you to scale profitably. Right? All right, guys, just figured I'd do an update. I'm going to have more of these videos coming out. If you want to check the course out, there's a link in the description. It's great. The course is like, obviously I'm trying to earn money from it, but at the same time, like I really want to make one place that has a whole lot of information, and sell it at a price that's easy for people, right? Because like in the United States, paying like $100 is one thing, but in like a lot of other countries in the world, paying $100 is intense. That's like a whole month's worth of expense or a rent, you know? So that's why it's cheap, but you know, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Ciao.